Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. First off, I've done this one quite a few times over the past week and a half, and this video is going to be very short, very straightforward. Just want to update things, and really the kind of only update is there is no update, but I'll still go over it really quickly. I've had lots of questions and requests come in. It still remains a very popular chart, but rightfully so when you have this much liquidity, in a stock. It's a good trader, so there's lots of eyes on it, so it makes sense. But like I said, this isn't going to be anything really new or groundbreaking, just a quick recap. So all these lines you see here were from the last video I've done. If you want to go back and see where they come from specifically, just go back through the video archives and you can do that. But this kind of, if anything, kind of shows the power of charts and how when you use them, they can really be helpful and just assist you in your trading strategies. But these green lines here are supports, red lines resistances, and really the only update is, like I said, there's no update because the price is simply still just hovering right in this sideways channel that I've already mapped out. With the bottom of the channel being the support down there at 81 cents, the top being right around, give or take, that 95-cent area. So it's a very tight range right now, just back and forth, back and forth. Today in and of itself was a very tight range day. So eventually somebody's going to win out, whether it's the bulls or bears. The edge has to go to the bulls right now simply because the overall context is bullish. And I say that because when you look at these moving averages, you can see they have upward slopes to them. So the context is bullish. Now, does that mean it's a guarantee that the bulls will win out during this sideways? There are no guarantees, but like I said, because the overall trends on the longer-term moving averages are bullish, you do have to give the edge to the bulls. But again, that doesn't mean it's a guarantee or anything like that. But that's pretty much all I got. You can look down here at volume. That's a good sign. Just low volume during this sideways move. If it does decide to start to head back up, the bigger the volume, the better. But with any sort of continued sideways action, that's just where you want to see volume remain pretty much like it is for a consolidation. So keep your eye on this channel, and we'll see which way the price finally decides to go. But that's really all I got for you, is just continuing to trade tight in this little range. So we'll have to see which way the price decides it goes and who's going to win out between the bulls and bears right now. And again, got to give the edge to the bulls due to these moving averages. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for a newsletter up there, and when you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader and make an investment into your education as a trader, I'd encourage you to click down there and check out our video course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check that out and give it a try. One more time, this was FNMA. Thanks for listening.